The Tcl Qm8 85-inch TV promises top-tier performance, but are there hidden drawbacks you should know about? Stick around to find out. The Tcl Qm8 is a masterpiece of modern design. Its ultra-slim profile and nearly invisible bezels make it a centerpiece for any room, blending functionality with aesthetics. Built with premium materials, this TV feels as robust as it looks sleek. Whether mounted on the wall or placed on a stand, the Qm8's minimalist appeal is hard to overlook. But does this stylish design compete with the polished look of other flagship models like Samsung's Neo QLED or Sony's XR series? Find out by checking out the Amazon link in the video description for the latest deals and details. When it comes to display performance, the Tcl Qm8 doesn't hold back. Featuring advanced QD mini LED technology, it offers breathtaking picture quality with vibrant colors, sharp details, and incredible contrast. With over 5,000 local dimming zones, dark scenes are rendered with deep, inky blacks, while bright highlights pop with up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're watching an HDR blockbuster or streaming your favorite show, this TV ensures the content looks its absolute best, even in bright living rooms. While it delivers jaw-dropping visuals, the big question remains: how does it compare to OLED technology in terms of color accuracy and motion clarity? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights on this debate. The Tcl Qm8 doesn't just look great, it sounds phenomenal too. With its Onkyo-designed 2.1.2 channel sound system, the TV delivers a dynamic and immersive audio experience. The built-in subwoofer adds depth and richness to the bass, while the up-firing speakers create an expansive soundstage perfect for enjoying Dolby Atmos-enabled content. Whether it's subtle background scores or explosive action scenes, the Qm8 delivers clarity and balance that elevate your viewing experience. For casual listeners, it may even eliminate the need for a separate soundbar. What do you think? Let us know in the comments if this built-in sound system meets your standards. Powered by Google TV, the Tcl Qm8 makes navigating apps and streaming services a breeze. Its intuitive interface is clean, responsive, and packed with popular apps like Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. Thanks to Google Assistant integration, you can control the TV, search for content, or even manage smart home devices with just your voice. The remote is thoughtfully designed, featuring shortcuts to popular streaming platforms and a microphone for voice commands. Gamers will appreciate the HDMI 2.1 ports with eARC support for seamless gaming and audio setups. With Wi-Fi 6, streaming 4K content is smoother than ever, minimizing buffering. But is this Google TV interface the best choice for you? Like this video if you're intrigued by its features. So what are the pros and cons of choosing the Tcl Qm8? Cons: limited viewing angles, inconsistent variable refresh rate performance. Only one HDMI port supports 144Hz and 240Hz. Pros: exceptional brightness and contrast, comprehensive gaming features, extensive app selection with Google TV. In summary, the Tcl Qm8 85-inch TV offers impressive features and performance, but it's essential to consider its limitations before making a decision. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below.